Step 1. Click on File /Save As /Browse /File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM /Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert /Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Start off by looking at lines 26 to 28 and remove the part where it says email 1 to the email address that you want it to be, like anonymous@email1.com, and the person going from person 1 to anonymous 1, and repeat the same sort of process for lines 27 and 28. Step 2. Then amend line 31 and include the file path that you want the files to be saved down in for the attachments included on the emails. Step 3. Then amend line 38 so that you replace mailbox with the name of the specific mailbox name that it is called, like anonymous@email1.com as an example. Step 4. Then amend line 46 for the folder that it is that you want to extract the files for, such as inbox, as if you wish to amend it so that it is inbox-folder, then amend to folders, inbox, to folders, inbox, folders, folder, as an example. What it does: the code will scan through and extract all of the different file types specified in line 22 of the code, and will then automatically extract those files and put them in the file path that you specified in line 31 of the code based on the from email address that you specified in lines 26 to 28. Also, if you wish to include additional email addresses, repeat step 1 with the same indentation for more email addresses.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com